Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and space for the whole family without breaking the bank? Take a look at this 2019 Jeep Cherokee Latitude in diamond black crystal pearl. With LED headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, bright side roof rails, power heated mirrors, deep tint sunscreen glass, keyless entry with panic alarm, 16,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, integrated voice command and Bluetooth, electronic stability control, split folding rear seats, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3465B.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.